Background information paragraph. A cloud in a bottle works by creating the necessary factors for a cloud to form. This is an experiment that you can do at home that demonstrates what happens in the atmosphere every day. When the air is pumped it creates high pressure and the molecules are pushed together. When the pressure is released, it allows the air to expand. When the air expands, it cools, making it easier for the particles to stick together and to form tiny water droplets.
Research question. We are trying to find out how the amount of rubbing alcohol we put in will affect the outcome of the cloud. To test this, we will test two clouds, one with 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol, one with 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol. We will keep the amount of pressure we put into the bottle the same.
Hypothesis. We think that the cloud will form better when we add 2 tablespoons of rubbing alcohol. We based our hypothesis on our research. We think that it will work better because there will be more vapor created. For a cloud to form, there has to be vapor, and if there isn't enough vapor, it will not form a perfect cloud.
Materials needed: a 1 liter clear bottle, rubbing alcohol, a tablespoon, a hand pump attached to the end of the needle being a rubber stopper. First, add 2 tablespoons with rubbing alcohol into the 1 liter bottle. Then, give it a little swirl. Then, put the rubber stopper end of the pump onto the top of the 1 liter bottle. Make sure that no air comes out of the bottle when you pump air into it. Pump it 8 times until you feel the maximum pressure, but exactly 8 times. Then release the bottle, and there your cloud will form. After observing both bottles, we saw that 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of rubbing alcohol made no difference. We thought that by decreasing the amount of rubbing alcohol, that it would make the cloud form worse. However, that was not the case. When we decreased the amount of rubbing alcohol, there was no difference. This could have been because we did not increase or decrease it enough to make a difference. It could also mean that the amount won't make a difference. We conducted further tests and found out that the case of rubbing alcohol we put in didn't make a difference. What did make the difference was how much air we pumped into it. The more air there was, the better the cloud formed. The materials needed are a tablespoon and
We'll see if it works.
it's working. Oh, we forgot the rubber stopper.
Sure.
You pour it. Oh. First. Oh, I didn't know it was recording.
I told you, are you ready? Let go of the pump and the thing will appear.